Well, here I have the ceiling fan alternator. I install a handle on it. As you know, there are two sets of coil. I have two wires traveling up to this light bulb and two other wires traveling down to this light bulb. So that's the front set of coil, 40-watt light bulb, and that's the rear set of coils. I'm going to give it a spin even though the sun is rising. I hope we can see all the light shining. In the dark it would have been more dramatic, but I just wanted to do it in the daylight. Hold on. I got a little hole there in this handle that I installed. I'm going to stick this in the hole and start spinning. Here we go. Oops. Oh, I need to set the camera up for that. I'm all set to spin, and the sun is shining on the object, but I still spin it. So if you see the light, let me know. What I'm going to do later, I'm going to remove the light bulb and measure the voltage, and at that point I'll remove the handle as well. So anyways, that's it for now. I remove the top light bulb. I also remove the handle that I have, and now I focus on just one light bulb that's left. Before I measure voltage, I want to spin it with a pen, and you see if there's any difference in the power, how much the light shines. Here I go. I can't go fast because I'm being hit by that middle light bulb socket, but let's give it a try now. Can't do it. Alright. I removed the light socket on top. That will facilitate my ability to spin it. And now I'll focus on the light again, and after that I'll give it a spin, and then I'll remove the light and also read the voltage. The light is much brighter now. The light bulb has been disconnected, and I'm now all ready to spin, and you'll be able to read the voltage from the voltmeter that's leaning against the light bulb. +120 volt. Let me do that again. 123 volts, spinning just by hand. When I first introduced this alternator in the half ceiling fan alternator video, I had little cubes for magnet. However, there was a wide gap between the starter and the magnet. This time I was able to achieve a narrower gap between 1 and 2 millimeters, wider at some spaces, but definitely the magnets are closer to the starter. So that's why we are getting more voltage. Initially I only got 34 volts, and today I reach 123 volts or something like that. What else can I say? If you are choosing magnet size and shape to put in a ceiling fan just pay attention to the curve of the ceiling fan enclosure. I am not using any ring. I stuck the magnet directly to that to the housing, and if I stuck round magnets to this curved surface, the round magnets will make contact with this curved surface basically at 2 points, left and right. However, if I use rectangular magnets, it will be left and right contact as well, but the contact will be made by 2 lines. So the rectangular magnets will be more stable. I can't walk them front and back like I will be able to do with the round magnet. So as you see, I have my round magnets up front, not in the back. So in the back I have rectangular magnet. This summarizes the full power of the ceiling fan when you change it to an alternator. I separated the wires. I tap below, and I also, let me put that upside down, and I also tap above. Well, after I sent these wires up, I realized that they were in the way when I tried to spin by sticking a pen in one of these holes. So I had to add the handles that you saw, and I had more torque but less speed. So I had to remove everything, including the light socket, to give me the ability to spin faster. Some of you are capable of combining these two sources of power. I think they are at the 90 degrees phase shift. Anyways, I separated them and I lit 2 light bulbs, so you can recombine them as you please. And if you know how to do so, you can let me know as well. But I could send this thing to 2 light bulbs, to 2 batteries, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.